heart when the answers feel so far. I remember what you promised, like a light within the dark. No need to be afraid, no need to turn away, 'cause you invite me closer every single day. You said it clear, you wrote it down, a promise that will never let me down. Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and a door will be open to you every time, every time. For everyone who asks receives, the one who seeks will find. To the one who knocks, the door swings wide. Oh, what a faithful God you are. You are. When my strength is running low and my faith feels paper thin, I lift my eyes to heaven, let your word sink in. You're not a distant father, you're right here by my side. With open arms you're waiting for me to step inside. You said it clear, you wrote